Oh my.
What are you doing with that camera, Isaiah? You better not be taking any pictures of
The Wi-Fi here is like high speed. I haven't seen any faster. I love what they've done with the circle. Really adds cool effect to the whole video. Dad told me to clean the blankets off the floor that I slept on, and this is what happened. It's gonna be one of those days. Here comes Dad. See what he has to say.
Really good job. Really good.
I don't think he had the same idea as me. I was cleaning up.
Clean it up.
Brayden's doing just as good cleaning up his bed as I'm doing mine.
Yep. No, this is gonna take a while.
So at 1 o'clock we're heading down to Aunt Alberta's, Aunt Birdie's. It's actually my mom's aunt, but everyone calls her Aunt Birdie. So go down there for some ham, right, Brayden?
Yeah.
Are you
And
excited?
wait.
And then I think sometime after that we're leaving because Dad has to work tomorrow. So we're headed home today. It's been a good weekend, and we still got pretty much most of the day here. So it's gonna be a good day.
Yeah, so Isaiah is cleaning up his bed and he's folding his blankets. And everything he folds is on top of me. Don't know what he's planning to do afterwards, but I hope it's not painful. Because if it's painful, I'm going to be ticked off at him. Ah!
Here goes.
Oh! Actually, that wasn't that bad.
Look at this. This isn't like beautiful then. I don't know what it is. So it's nothing but woods and Grampy. Super nice, ain't right? Look at that Toyota. Ooh.
Woo-hoo. Nice new car. Oh, he almost doesn't fit on the camera.
Pappy worked up a sweat mowing the lawn. Look at him, he actually did some work. I am headed down to Alberta's, which is right next door, right in that house there, to take these sprinkle thingers down. So I'm taking Graham's bike down because I'm too lazy to walk. So going down is a lot easier than coming back up. It's okay. It is pouring. Alright guys, the time has come. We are getting ready to load the car, head home. It finally stopped raining, so the skies are pretty dark and it's still thunder and lightning out, so, well, thundering out, I haven't seen any lightning, but whew, raindrops cold. So we're just trying to get everything in the car before it starts raining again.
Check this out. This key is so sick. Bro? Can he do it? Can he do it? Can he do it? Can he do it? Oh, it's starting to Isaiah just ran out to shut the trunk and...
What you see here is a bit of rain coming downward to the earth and then bouncing back to its maker. Everybody's pulling off to the side of the road. Well, some other people are trying to cause a little accident and stuff. We'll probably see one of those shortly. Anyways, it's really raining, so it's safer to be on the side of the road and risk your life with some Dorito roulette.
Battery's not included.
I think it might rain today. Wild to guess, but
Feel it in my bones.
yeah.
Our car can feel it too.
When it rains, it really pours. It's cray cray.
And we just got home from our weekend away at Grammy and Grampy's. Did you have a good time, Braden?
Yes, sir.
Did you have a good time, Isaiah?
I'm so full.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm still
I
full,
bet
friends. This is
I'll
it.
I'll weigh myself in the morning, but I bet I've gained at least 4 pounds. Yeah, at least. I know one plate was at least 4 pounds, so I'm guaranteeing I've gained. So let's not talk about that. We're going swimming now. We just got home. Shauna's gone to work, and now we're going off to that swimming hole one more time. We're going to Loch Lomond swimming pool, and we're going to get bitten by a few mosquitoes, I'm going to say. And
I'm guessing it's going to be a little wet, but you never know.
yeah, it'll probably be wet. At least it's not wet like it was on the way home.
Oh man, it was brutal.
Holy Toledo,
You
it's
couldn't
really
even see
coming
out the
downward.
window.
You what?
Couldn't even see out the front window.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
you-
30 cars, at least 30 cars were pulled over off of the highway with just the four-way flashers on, just sitting there so that we could wait so that you could at least see 2 car lengths in front of you, because it was horrible.
And there were some people just...
Yeah, well, there's one in every family, and I'm afraid those might have been one of ours. Anyways, we're going out swimming, gonna have a good time. We'll talk to you soon.
Me and Braden are headed down to the band room to tidy it up and move everything around and actually set it up. I forget to stuff all over my finger. So we're headed down to move it all around, set it up so it's more like a band room than just
Mess.
a mess. Yeah, I guess. So should be fun. So this is it right now. As you can see, it's kind of a mess. For some reason it won't focus, but yeah, you guys get the idea. So now to clean. See what's going on upstairs. Brain's in his room. What are you doing?
Watching Shake Turds.
Shocker. Go Shay. There's only like 4 months till school starts. That's sad. Let's have a moment of silence. Today I'm going to end it with a ceremonial spinning of the office chair. Have a good night, guys.